Hey everybody, Shu here. Today we're camping at the Carlyle Lake in Illinois. We're just outside of St. Louis, Missouri, but we're on the Illinois side. And this place is pretty cool. It's only about 20 minutes south of I-70. So if you're traveling on I-70, you need somewhere to camp. This is a pretty good place. I'll show you why. This is the view from campsite number 50. This is cool. Apparently, this is the West Dam. And way out there, let's see if I can get it. There's the East Dam, way out there. And there's a campground over there too, I do believe. The place is peaceful. Or at least during the week it's peaceful. And these are some of the biggest campsites that we've seen. They can easily hold up to 110, 115 foot. If you have something that big, this is the place to go. Lots of old growth trees here. Big canopies. We are up right on the other side. These people, there we are. We are in site 61. All of the sites on this loop are all electric. They have 50, 30, and 15 amp. Now the loop we're fixing to go to over here is full hookups. They're not as big as the main loop, but they are still pretty big. Yeah, some of them are pretty big. And you got a marina right on the other side. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a marina right on the other side. '93 is a good spot. And we'll take a spin across the main road out here, because this campground is actually divided into two separate parts, and on the other part is just a little tiny loop. So we'll just spin right through there. Right by the entrance is where your freshwater is, and this is pretty cool. Yeah, this is the dump station, but the cool thing about this is it's hard to tell in the video, but this road is actually angled pretty good so that everything goes straight to that side in your holding tanks. That's pretty good. But as you're exiting the campground, there is the other part of the campground, and this is the main road that comes into here. So let's check out the other side. And now this building here, there's the entrance. This is the bathroom, showers, but this is also the laundry. We'll give a little sneak peek of this. This is a large room. Now they only have, I love this big sink. They only have 2 washers and 2 dryers. The washers run for 30 minutes, the dryers run for 45, but it's only $1. You can wash your clothes and dry your clothes for $2, unless you need both machines. So yeah, $1 per load. And during summer, they have this nifty little air conditioner, little split unit, and Carlyle Lake geocache. They have 12 geocaches here. If you don't know what a geocache is, definitely check it out. It's fun. It's like a real life treasure hunt. So it's pretty cool. Only $1 a load. All right, now here on the main loop, your power options are your standard 30 amp, 50 amp, and 15 amp. And the poles are located at the end of each one, way past the concrete. And this is the Amphitheater. I do believe they have programs every Saturday, but it's all on a schedule. Little playground here. So if you have little ones, they can go over here and play on the playground. Lots of shade trees. That's a good thing. Thought about getting my little solar system projector projected on here at night. Now located between 60 and 57 is this camping spot. It's got a power pole, picnic table, fire pit, and a long driveway. Now this is, to me, odd because of the point. This is where the main sidewalk goes into the amphitheater. So imagine camping, you're parking your RV here, having your awning out, having a fire, and having people walk down the driveway, under your awning, through your site, and to the amphitheater. Now, I do believe they discontinued this as a camping spot, but you would think they would get rid of the picnic table and the fire pit. Very interesting.